Welcome back to my channel. What if I told you that you could make real money just by playing games? That's right. In 2025, play to earn, P2E, games are changing the gaming world by letting players earn crypto, NFTs, and real-world rewards while having fun. Today, we're diving into the top 5 P2E games you must try this year, whether you love RPGs, space exploration, strategy games. The Metaverse, there's something for everyone. So, stick around till the end because some of these games could be your next big earning opportunity. Let's get started. Keycap 1 Star Atlas Milky Way. Best for space exploration and strategy. Star Atlas is one of the most ambitious blockchain-based space exploration games. Set in a futuristic, intergalactic world, this game allows players to build their own space empires, trade, battle, and explore the vast universe. Unlike traditional space simulation games, Star Atlas operates on a decentralized economy where everything, from spaceships to land, is tokenized as NFTs. Keycap 2 Illuvium Shield. Best for RPG and strategy fans. Illuvium is an open-world RPG that has gained massive popularity for its breathtaking visuals and highly strategic gameplay. Inspired by games like Pokémon and Monster Hunter, Illuvium allows players to explore a vast alien world, capture powerful creatures called Illuvials, and battle them against other players. Keycap 3 Big Time Hourglass. Best for action RPG fans. Big Time is a fast-paced multiplayer action RPG that blends exciting combat mechanics with blockchain-based rewards. The game is set in a universe where players can travel through different historical periods, battling powerful enemies, completing missions, and uncovering hidden treasures. Keycap 4 The Sandbox. Building construction. Best for virtual world creators. The Sandbox is more than just a game. It's a fully decentralized virtual world where players can create, own, and monetize their own experiences. Unlike traditional gaming platforms, the Sandbox is built on blockchain, meaning all assets, whether it's virtual land, buildings, or characters, are tokenized as NFTs. Keycap 5 Gods Unchained. Playing card. Best for card game lovers. Gods Unchained is a strategic trading card game, TCG, that rewards players for their skill and strategy. Unlike traditional digital card games like Hearthstone where players don't truly own their cards, Gods Unchained uses blockchain technology to give players complete ownership of their in-game assets. Every card in the game is an NFT, meaning players can trade, sell, or collect rare cards that gain value over time. Players build decks, compete in ranked matches, and participate in tournaments to earn rewards. The game's battle mechanics are designed to ensure that skill matters more than money, making it a fair and competitive environment. The in-game marketplace allows players to buy and sell cards for cryptocurrency, creating a thriving economy within the game. Additionally, Gods Unchained continues to release new expansions and seasonal events, keeping the gameplay fresh and exciting for both new and veteran players. And that wraps up a list of the top 5 play-to-earn crypto games of 2025. These games are not just fun, they're giving players real ownership and the chance to earn crypto while gaming. So, which game are you most excited to try? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest P2E games and crypto trends. Rocket, thanks for watching.